Friday night, as usual, John got back around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, something like that, and his car was full of everything he had picked up on his way back. As usual, again, I'm saying his poor car, it was full of everything. Not sure how he gets everything in that car, but he seems to manage to figure it out. And soon the place was full of wood from work, things he had picked up from Howden's for the kitchen, plumbing stuff, all kinds of things. I wasn't expecting this weekend to be as busy as it was. I knew that John had a course booked for Saturday daytime. He had to get his ticket for his Irish digger licensed. And I was actually thinking I wouldn't even have anything to put into a video. But, well, I should have known better. John came home Friday full of life, full of energy and wanting to get as much done as he could. He'd already picked up some items on his way back from Howden's, anything that was still outstanding, to be able to do some more of the kitchen, and he got stuck in. He also picked up a instant hot water heater for the tap in the kitchen, and all the connections he needed to get that going. And also, lastly, he did pick up the cables he needed, the pipes he needed for getting the cooker set up, as it is a gas top and electric oven, and he needed to run the pipes for that as well. So he was ready Friday evening, got stuck in, and he worked hard. There was chaos everywhere in some ways, but also it just meant lots was getting done. There was tools everywhere, screws everywhere, and he was fitting together the island. We planned where we wanted it in the kitchen, and he fixed it to the flooring. He connected the doors to part of the island, but we unfortunately didn't have the time to get the drawers in yet. He cut one of the worktops ready for the island to the right sizing, and we sanded the edges, and he sprayed over the oil sealer for that particular worktop. It's not fixed on, but we put it in place to see the overall look, and I hope you're as delighted as we were when we saw it together. We only put half of it on so far just to see what it would look like in the room. When we get it ready, we need to cut some off the edging, fix it together, and have an overhang so that we can put 2 stools on to sit up at the island. One question, what colour stools would you get to match the kitchen? I was thinking probably a mid-grey to match the chairs around the dining room table. What do you think? John was definitely measuring, then measuring, then measuring, then cutting to try and get everything precise, because now we were putting things in place, screwing them to the walls and the floors, and making sure everything was exactly where we wanted it to go. Saturday morning, he got up at 6 in the morning and had to go over to Sligo to do his course. And time he finished at 3 o'clock, picked up some more things from the store and got back here for, I believe, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and got stuck back in to finishing off and getting things together and then tidying up for the Sunday. And I think the kitchen looks amazing. The worktops have come out beautiful, and even though it's not finished, and of course it's going to take time, I think the island looks amazing. So we're still making a decision on the upper cabinets, and we're thinking of doing open shelves between the fridge and the window, and then doing closed cabinets from the other side of the window and up to the oven, the cooker. Above the cooker will be a hood fan, and I'm thinking stainless steel, but maybe white. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you like the wood white look above the stove or the stainless steel. Now, I'm not sure what's going on with the birds around here. Maybe I'm just not used to being in the countryside this much. But wow, look at these birds. Isn't that amazing? I just can't believe how many birds I've seen in the last few weeks, and that they just all of a sudden just fly off like that. And also, I had to take a photo of this. It was so cute. It must have been dinner time because these cows were looking at us as though, have you got any food? We're hungry. Come feed us. So, Sunday morning we slept in, and I don't think we've ever slept in as long as we did. John must have been exhausted for him to sleep in till 10 o'clock. It's never heard of. I've never known it. We've been together 5 years now, and he's never slept in that long. But I'm glad he did. He must have needed it. Between going to Dublin on a Monday morning, which is 2 or 3 hour drive, to working all week, coming back on the Friday evening, which is a 5, 6, sometimes even 7 hour drive because it's Friday evening. As I say, working in between, and then Friday evening doing the renovations, Saturday daytime doing the renovations, and Saturday evening doing the renovations. And this week, actually, Saturday daytime, he did the course, so he ended up doing more of the renovations in the evenings, and he was tired out. So we got up late, we went for breakfast, had a nice breakfast together. We did some food shopping and picked up a few things, and then we came back and just tidied up. We'd done all the workload. We weren't going to do any more work that day because we've learned that lesson. Don't work on Sunday because you'll end up repeating it and doing it again on Monday. So we didn't do any work, but we hadn't cleaned up. So we cleaned up, sorted everything out, did laundry for John's work clothes for the week. We did a food shop for the week for John for at work and for me for here. And as I say, we just cleaned up and tidied up and relaxed. And then we went out. We had to go visit with his uncle Charlie. Unfortunately, he's in the hospital at the moment. So we went to visit with him on the Sunday. And then time we'd done everything and come back, it was like 9 o'clock. Like, I don't know where the day went. I've no idea, but we had a nice day together, and we ended up just finishing off a few things and going to bed. And then Monday, I spent the day, I wasn't going to repeat what I did last week. The last week, I was a little bit on a downer, just for the sake, it rained every day almost. I didn't go for any walks, and now I'm realising if I don't go for a walk, I'm not enjoying the outside, I'm not enjoying the countryside, and that's the whole point of me moving here, because I love being in the countryside. So Monday I went for a nice walk, did my usual walk, and I did some visiting with friends and had a cup of tea with friends and had a lovely time. Did some video editing and uploading and did some of the video. And then I also started to do a little bit of promotional stuff. And you'll see at the end of this video that another little coming soon is at the end. I'm not gonna spoil it, so I'm not gonna mention anything. Just see it to the end. And then I've been doing some promotional stuff for the Blank Pages, a magical read book. That's going really well. It's a lovely story, so I'm glad that one's going good. And so I've been doing promotions for that. Oh, when you're doing the book stuff, I love writing. I enjoy the writing. It just flows. I'm just out here. I could write and write and write, but some of the tedious work I've been doing is just trying to get it into book form, get it in the right font, get in the right size and all those kind of things in Office, and then putting it into a book format. And I found that tedious, so I've got a lot of that I was doing on Tuesday. And excuse me. Then Wednesday I went for another walk and enjoyed that. And I then Wednesday had to do some laundry of the bedding. I vacuumed the kitchen. I know it sounds daft, but that floor needed a good vacuum. And we don't sweep. We sweep the big stuff, but we usually vacuum because we don't want the dust everywhere. We've got the oil lacquer on a lot of the wood still drying out, and if we swept, that would go up in the air and then stick to it. So we vacuum everywhere to get rid of the dust. And yeah, just been busy along the week doing my videos, my books, and cleaning the place and enjoying a little bit more of a drier week. So I've been going out and doing walks, which I definitely needed this week. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment below and share our videos. It helps our channel grow.